Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to RackNerd TV. I'm Christian from RackNerd, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be diving into the wonderful world of web hosting and exploring how to install PHP MyAdmin in the LAMP stack with Alma Linux OS. If you're interested in hosting websites and managing databases effectively, this tutorial is for you. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's quickly talk about what PHP MyAdmin is and why it's beneficial for hosting websites. PHP MyAdmin is a free and open source tool that provides a graphical interface for managing MySQL or MariaDB databases. With PHP MyAdmin, you can easily handle tasks like creating, modifying, and deleting databases, tables, and data entries. It simplifies the database management process, especially for beginners. Now, why should you consider using PHP MyAdmin for hosting websites? Well, first of all, it's very user-friendly. The intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to manage databases efficiently. Plus, PHP MyAdmin supports various operations like importing and exporting databases, executing SQL queries, and managing user permissions. It's a very versatile tool that empowers you to have full control over your website's data. So let's go ahead and dive into the step-by-step installation process. Make sure that you have Alma Linux OS with the LAMP stack already set up on your server. If you're unsure how to do that, we have several videos on our channel where we guide you through the process step by step. I'll go ahead and paste those links in the description down below, so feel free to check it out first before you follow along with this tutorial. Okay, so you can see my screen now, and let's go ahead and move on to installing PHP MyAdmin. The first step is to log into your Alma Linux server using SSH. I'll use my favorite SSH client, Bitvice, but you're free to use your own preferred SSH client as the commands are going to be the exact same, so there's no issue with that. As mentioned, I'll go ahead and paste the commands in the description, so don't worry if you're not familiar with them. Okay, so once connected, I'll want to run the following command to update my system. If you haven't updated your system for a while, it may take a period of time to complete the update, so please wait for just a little bit, be a little bit patient with it. Probably a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your internet speed. In my case, I already did it, so it should just take a couple of seconds to notify me that there are no necessary updates available for my system. Next, let's go ahead and install some Linux tools if you haven't already, as you'll need them to configure PHP MyAdmin further. To get started, just run the following command to install the Nano editor, wget, and zip in your system. So now we're ready to install PHP MyAdmin. To get started, let's do this by enabling the EPEL and REMI, also known as EPEL or REMI repository, by running the following commands. And then we'll install the PHP Fedora autoloader by running this command. Now it's time to finally install the PHP MyAdmin package by using the following command. Now let's go ahead and restart the Apache web server to apply all of these changes using this command. Next, let's go ahead and check the status of our LAMP stack services and test our PHP MyAdmin website. So just run these commands to check the LAMP stack services. Great, everything is working fine. Next, let's go ahead and allow PHP MyAdmin to be publicly accessible by editing the phpMyAdmin.config file. That would be .conf. To do this, we need to run this command to open up the file with the Nano editor, and all we need to do is replace the require local to require all granted for the first section of the whole document. You can use the arrow keys from your keyboard to navigate through the document. Please follow the on-screen guide to follow along with the application steps. Once done, hit the Ctrl X to exit, and when prompted to save the document, press Y to confirm. Now let's go ahead and test our PHP MyAdmin website if it's working. To access PHP MyAdmin, open up your favorite web browser and type in your server's IP address, followed by /PHP MyAdmin. You'll be greeted with the PHP MyAdmin login page if it's working, where we can go ahead and enter our MySQL or MariaDB credentials. Just type in your username as root and your password which you provided when you installed MariaDB in your system and go through the security wizard guide. Once logged in, we'll have full control over our databases and can start managing them with ease. And that's all there is to it. We've successfully installed PHPMyAdmin onto our LAMP stack with Alma Linux OS. Remember that at Raknerd, we offer web hosting solutions perfect for any of your web applications like PHPMyAdmin. Whether you're a small business or an individual looking to host websites, Raknerd has you covered. Just visit us at raknerd.com to learn more about our reliable hosting services and get started with our powerful servers with the help of our experts today. You will never be disappointed. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're ready to take control of your databases like a pro. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Raknerd TV for more tech-related videos like this one. Until next time, happy hosting.